Hello friends, in this video I got to show you how to fix Uplay has detected an unrecoverable error and must shut down. So friends, to fix this error, firstly click on start, then type %sign app data %sign, then click on this app data folder, and in here click on app data. And friends, if you are not able to access this page, so there is another way. So click on start and type file explorer. In here click on view, options, change folder and search options, view, and check this box, show hidden files, folders and drivers. Apply, then OK. Now again click on start and type %sign app data %sign. So now you will be able to find this folder. So in here click on app data. Before roaming, click on app data, then click on local. Now friends, in here you need to right click on UBI soft game launcher, then click on delete. Now close it and restart your PC. So hopefully friends, by this very quick and simple method we can fix Uplay has detected error. So please comment this video work for you or not. Thanks for watching.